Hi guys, I'm Rika G and this is Rika G channel. Welcome back for another vlog, and before I start, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell below for you to be notified whenever I upload new videos. If you're new on this channel talks about lifestyle, tips, tutorials, and reviews. For today's vlog, i-share ko sa inyo kung paano kumuha ng birth certificate PSA online. Panoorin niyo to guys.
Open tayo ng Google sa cellphone natin and type natin PSA birth certificate online and click natin tong unang lalabas. Scroll down tayo hanggang makita natin itong order now and i-click natin itong order now. So yung processing niya is 3 to 4 working days kapag Metro Manila and 3 to 8 days outside Metro Manila. Then pwede na tayong mamili kung anong certificate yung kukunin natin. Since birth certificate itong tutorial natin, birth ang pipindutin natin dito. And then, click lang natin tong dalawang box na to for the terms and condition. And then, i-click natin itong continue. And then, guys, magtatanong siya kung yung kukunin mong birth certificate is for your own or for someone else na birth certificate. So, guys, may note dito sa baba. Yung pwede nyo lang i-request na birth certificate is for your son, daughter, father, or mother. Kasi kapag spouse, sila mismo yung dapat na directly na mag-request for themselves. So, yung i-request ko rito is for my daughter. So, i-click ko tong my daughter and then i-click ko tong continue. And then guys, mag-a-appear itong mga details and information na kailangan nating i-ready para makapag-proceed tayo sa pagkuha ng PSA birth certificate online. So, kapag ready na itong mga to, pwede na nating i-click itong continue dito sa may baba. And then, fill up pa natin itong sex, full name, middle name, surname, and then yung birthday. And then dito sa may lower part, piliin natin yung government ID na ipepresent natin. Click natin yung continue. And then fill up pa natin itong mga details ng daughter natin or son, like yung name and then yung birthday. So ayan, pagka-fill up natin, click na natin itong continue. Next is yung details naman ng mother. And then after that, click yung continue. And then i-enter natin yung birthplace, province, and municipality. And then guys, magtatanong siya kung registered late ba ito. So, yung kinlik ko is no. And then after that, magtatanong siya ng purpose ng request. So, since para to sa school yung kinlik ko. Next naman is kung may mga legal proceedings. Kung wala naman, click lang natin tong no and then continue. So, may option tayo kung door-to-door delivery o pick-up. So, pick-up yung pinili ko and check lang natin yung mga details kung accurate bago natin i-proceed. And then after that, pipili na tayo ng mode of payment. So, ito yung mga options dito for payment. So, ako ang gagamitin ko is itong GCash. So, click ko tong GCash. Then, lagyan nyo yung GCash details nyo para makapag-proceed yung payment. And nag-update naman sila through email and text.
That's it guys. If you have questions, please comment it down below and I'll try my best to answer your questions. Thank you for watching Rika G channel and please follow us on Team G Vlogs on Facebook. Till my next video, bye!